Hello everybody. Today we will share with you about 3D HIFU equipment operation. When we receive the package, you will see following spare parts: HIFU device, a pieces, accessories storage box, including one handle, 4 different cartridges, 3.0 mm, 4.5 mm, 8.0 mm, and 13.0 mm. 4 size acrylic plate, 3.0 mm, 4.5 mm, 8.0 mm, and 13.0 mm. 8 pieces cartridge spare stickers, 1 piece handle, 2 pieces model stickers, 1 piece instruction. On this device, we can see power switch, power cable connection, start button, and red alarm light, and handle connection. First, connect the handle to the instrument. Next, insert the cartridge you need into the handle. Finally, connect the power cable to device. Finish all of the installation. Turn on the power switch. Then turn on the start button. The screen lights up, and you can start working. Recording customer information function is not available. Click Start Treatment directly and enter the operation interface. Details are as follows: deep skin display. It can't skin but will slightly change when the handle is working. Screen brightness adjustment. The upper button is to improve brightness. The lower button is to reduce brightness. Number of shooting lines. 1 to 6 lines can be chosen according to your work needs. Number of shooting at that time can be result 0. Remaining number of shoot, and all total number of shoot on one cartridge. Energy intensity adjustment. 0.1 to 1.0 joule can be chosen. Treatment distance adjustment. 1.1 to 2.0 mm can be chosen. Treatment depth display of cartridges. 3.0, 4.5, 8.0, 13.0 mm. Display treatment area, but cannot be chosen, can start work directly. Tips: the energy power range is 0.1 to 1.0 joule. But we can adjust its strength by setting tools. Click 5 times. For example, the energy is 0.1 joule, but if the selected intensity is reduced 15% or add 15%. the intensity will be weakened or strengthened. Then the working effect will be very different. It's recommended that the energy should be adjusted to reduce 15%. Note, if the cartridge is not plugged in or inserted properly, the device will give an alarm and need to be reinserted well. Before working, you need to clean the face and neck. And then join the area. Caution: the untreated areas are as follows. The distance between the two fingers below the hairline. The distance between the two eyebrows to the hairline. Temples. Eyebrows. Eyelids. Cheekbone. The triangle of smile. The distance between the two fingers before the ear. The neck vaginal canal. The great arteries on both sides of the neck. The bone and all wound areas can be treated. After drawing the treatment area, insert the 4.5 mm cartridge into the handle. Treatment distance adjust to 1.1 mm. Adjust the working energy. It's recommended to start treatment with low energy, 0.1 joule, and reduce 50% intensity, and gradually increase according to the customer feelings, because the energy of each machine may be different and every customer feelings are different too. Before using, use acrylic testing instrument whether if it's working properly. Acrylic can be tested with water as follows. Only the test results are normal. Can we use 4.5 mm cartridge to work the lower areas of the eye first, and then use 3.0 cartridge to work the whole face? Then apply the gel to the operation area. Then apply the gel to the operation area. Press the ready button on the handle. The blue light will shine vertically close to the skin on the operation area. Then press the work button on the handle to start work. Wait for a line to be finished, then moving 1 to 2 mm at a time to start work. And remember to avoid bones. If you choose more than one lines, need to wait the lines be finished and move the appropriate wires and continue to work. Clean the client's belly and then paint the area that can treat it on the client's belly. Caution: the untreated area are as follows: ribs on both sides, navel, female uterus, pelvis, and all wound areas can be treated. According to the depth of the fat layer of the belly, choose the different cartridge. For customer with thick fat layer, you can choose 13.0 mm and then use 8.0 mm. Customers with a thinner fat layer can use 8.0 mm directly. Apply the gel to the operation area.